अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। आज के इस इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के बाद एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का ये कॉन्सेप्ट एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कंप्लीटली क्लियर हो जाएगा। द क्वेश्चन इज द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट h मीटर्स अबाउट द सरफेस ऑफ अ लेक इज थीटा। हमेशा याद रखना फ्रेंड्स, आपको हमेशा राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करना है। क्वेश्चन कैसा भी हो, स्टार्ट्स विथ मेकिंग अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल। यहाँ पर हम एक सिंपल एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल बनाते हैं। लेट्स टेक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ए बी सी and they are saying angle of elevation is theta. But this point is h meter above the surface of a lake. So let's take this as h. I am marking this point as S, surface of a lake. Now, as per law of reflection, the height of a cloud above the lake is equal to the depth of a cloud, the depth of its reflection below the surface. So, can I mark this height, this depth as SD? Can we call this SD as h plus AB? And if this SD is h plus AB, can I say from point B to point D, the height or the length will be equal to 2 times h plus AB? Now they are saying the angle of depression of its reflection is phi. From a point C again, if we connect point C to point D, the angle of depression will be phi. Now based on this information given, we need to prove the height of the cloud above the lake is h tan phi plus tan theta divided by tan phi minus tan theta. It means we need to prove h plus AB. To prove, again see, we are saying the height of a cloud above the lake. The height of the cloud above the lake. They are not saying above angle of elevation or above point B. They are saying above the lake. Means they are asking to prove h plus AB. They are asking to prove h plus AB, which is equal to h times tan phi plus tan theta divided by tan phi minus tan theta. Now, if you observe this diagram, the length, this horizontal length BC is common in both right angle triangle ABC and right angle triangle DBC. We will start by taking right angle triangle ABC. In right angle triangle ABC or BAC, BC upon AB is equal to cot theta base upon perpendicular. So can we say BC is equal to AB cot theta? Equation number 1. Again, in triangle DBC, BC upon BD. Again, can we say base upon perpendicular is cot phi, or BC is equal to BD cot phi. Equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, we can clearly say AB cot theta is equal to BD cot phi. From equation 1 and 2, we can say BD cot phi is equal to AB cot theta, AB cot theta. But they are asking in terms of 10. We must arrange this expression in terms of 10. So I am writing in this way: AB upon BD is equal to 10 theta upon 10 phi. Again, they are asking in terms of plus and minus. So I am applying here, combinando and dividendo method. AB plus BD. They are asking 10 phi minus theta. We must take BD minus AB is equal to 10 phi plus tan theta upon 10 phi minus tan theta. Now what is AB plus BD? AB plus BD. Can I say 2 times H plus AB? AB plus BD is 2 times H plus AB. And what is BD minus AB? 2 times H, 2 times H is equal to 10 phi plus tan theta upon 10 phi minus tan theta. On solving, we will get h plus ab is equal to h times tan phi plus tan theta upon tan phi minus tan theta. Hence, rho. Thank you.